Hi, I'm Buddy. Today, I'm going to show you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Okay, first step, you got to get the white side solved. To do that, you have to make like a flower type shape with the yellow in the middle. Like that. That's the flower type shape. Then you line up all the colors on the side like that. With this white piece up top and whatever this color is, line it up, then turn it down. Now, there's a white piece in the middle. Then you find like a corner piece and just put it in there. Like that. There's the white side. Now we gotta fill in the second layer, which you gotta find a piece that doesn't have yellow on it, such as this one. And repeat the same step until you get the white and the white side and this second layer solved. Looks like they all have yellow. Wait, maybe not. Nope. Now the whole second layer is solved, we will go to the yellow side. Now there's an algorithm for an L-type shape and a straight bar. This one is just a straight bar. So you'll do what I just did there. Sometimes you come across this plus. Then you should have a fish type shape in here. And there you go, the yellow side is solved. Now find two matching corners like that and put them over on the side of the color that matches it like that. Flip it away and then do what I'm doing. Now we got a solid side, but now we have corners matching on all the other sides. We got a solid one there. Let's do the last step. And there you go. The Rubik's Cube is all solved. Thanks for watching.